tires need a little air pressure. It's only missing a couple pounds, so I'm putting some air in them now. 35 pounds per square inch per tire. Which it's got a gauge built in, but I like using the other kind. A little over 35. A little bit over. Like a couple times just to make sure it's accurate. I'm gonna let just a slight bit out. You just use the end of this right here. Each tire is 35 pounds per square inch. There's about 3 of them, a little bit low, so I'm gonna put some in there. Oh, darn. Blew it up pretty fast. It's about 35. Yeah, I got a few more to do. Hi. Yeah, I got 3 more to do. Each one's missing a couple pounds of pressure, so I'll get back to y'all later.